Since 2014, the European Union has asked regions and member states to adopt the Smart Specialization Strategy, or S3. This strategy requires the identification of objectives and priorities to focus investments in research and innovation in specific areas of interest, based on the features of the regional ecosystem. Together with local stakeholders, the Veneto region has selected 6 areas of priority, which will lead the Veneto area to increase its innovation and competitiveness, as well as the ability to face systemic shocks. These areas are smart agri-food, smart manufacturing, smart health, culture and creativity, smart living and energy, smart destination, +2 special technology missions, bioeconomy, and space economy. All the areas of priority will be developed while taking into account important drivers such as digitalization, green transition, human capital, innovative services, and business models. First priority area is smart agri-food. The agri-food sector in Veneto is among the most advanced in Italy and Europe. Veneto is a land of taste and quality, boasting world-famous products grown using advanced and modern techniques. The strategy in this priority area foresee the development of systems for precision agriculture, vertical farming solutions, technology to improve cultures, decreasing the environmental impact, technology for waste management, smart and sustainable packaging, product traceability, energy sensors for greenhouses, and systems and models to maintain ecological balance. The second area of priority is smart manufacturing. Veneto is an important manufacturing platform with key industrial players and excellent research and innovation centers, which are already cooperating toward the Industry 4.0 transformation. Veneto will invest in intelligent systems of augmented and virtual reality, industrial waste reuse and recycling technologies, industrial symbiosis, innovative materials, technology for more human-centric work organization, artificial intelligence, and data-driven and machine learning solutions. The third area of priority is smart health. Health has always been a priority for Veneto and has become a real focus point in recent years. This area of priority will work on preserving and improving all-round health and well-being. This will start from food, through innovation in nutraceutics and functional food, to the development of technical textiles for safety and security, along with telemedicine and assistive technology. There will also be development in advanced diagnostic technology to prevent diseases, including premature aging. The fourth area of priority is culture and creativity. Taste for beauty, culture and creativity, know-how mixed with innovation, tradition and high quality. These are the ingredients that Venetian designers, artisans and artists mix to produce the best of them made in Italy, exported worldwide. Veneto will invest in technologies for design and product modeling, solutions to enhance the user experience and update the business models, technologies for recovery, conservation and valorization of cultural heritage, as well as multimedia and digital solutions. The fifth area of priority is smart living and energy. The idea is to improve people's living conditions, starting from the home, as the case of domotics, new materials, green building, and inclusive design, to cities, like smart and clean mobility, waste management, and smart grids, to the general environment, for instance with water and disasters management, pollution monitoring and prevention, energy communities, circular economy, hydrogen and renewable energy development. The sixth area of priority is smart destination. Tourism is unquestionably one of the assets of the regional economy. Veneto will invest in both preserving its touristic heritage and natural biodiversity by boosting slow and sustainable tourism. It will also offer new and rich experiences through digital and virtual systems and augmented reality technology, big data analysis, predictive analytical tools, and digital instruments to improve tourists' engagement.